Do you forget the meaning of advanced English vocabulary? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people have same problem, but we have a best and perfect solution for it. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the meaning of a word by just looking on that word. This video will show you how to do just that. Just learn about root words and enhance your vocabulary with 10x faster. Without wasting more time, let's get started. First of all, it's much more important to know the meaning of root words. For example, if you see the following words, what is the common in all of them? That is one word, which is feed. Now, it is simple. If you know the meaning of feed, then it will be super easy to think the meaning of other words. That's why you have to remember the meaning of one word, one root word. Just remember one root word daily and master it. In 30 days, you will master 30 root words and more than 500 advanced English vocabulary words. I think it is the much more easiest way to remember vocabulary. Let's take an example and then understand further to the root words. Before diving into an example, I want to share you something. How can you learn root words? I want to say that we have already covered more than 30 root words on this channel. I will suggest you watch those videos and just remember one root word daily, and I have covered more than 10 words of each root word there. I will strongly suggest you to watch them and master the vocabulary, master the root words. Okay, now let's check an example. Okay, now let's check coming 10 words. We are going to master them with easiest way with root word. What is common in all of them? That is one word is feed. Feed means belief or faith. If you know the meaning of this word, then you can easily think the meaning of other words. Let's take first word fidelity. If you see the word feed here, feed means faithfulness, loyalty, homage. Means it must be related to faith. So it is also mean fidelity means faithfulness, loyalty, homage. Okay. Second word, if you see confident. Here if you will see feed, also root word. If you know the meaning feed, then you can easily take the meaning. Feed means faith. Confident means having faith in oneself, having trust in oneself, having belief on oneself. We call confident. For example, I am confident student. Third word is also much more confusing. That is confident. See here the difference between confident and confidant. If you know the meaning fit, then it means it must be related to faith. Confidant means trustworthy friend, or the friend in which you have faith. Okay, I hope you must be getting my point that a trustful friend we call confidant. Okay. Now fourth word is perfidy. Per means opposite and fid means faith. Means the one who do not have faith we call perfidy. But perfidy means faithfulness or deceitfulness. A person who do not have any type of faith, belief, trust, we call perfidy. That is simple, okay? If you know the root word, then I think you can easily think the meaning of words. Now, sixth word, diffident. Here, if you will see diffident before the word root fid, there is a diff. Diff means it must be opposite of confident. So diffident means shy, hesitant, unwilling, one who don't have belief on oneself. Seventh word now, bona fide. Bona means okay, leave it with. If you know the fit, then means bona fide means authentic, trustworthy, or genuine. Do you know what is most important in learning vocabulary, you need a simple trick to remember, to just memorize the words. So simple trick can be only that root word. If you memorize the root word, then you can easily think the meaning. You can uh, easily memorize the meaning of the word. Let's check the last two words of the same root word, that is confide and affidavit. Confide, if you see fid here also, confide means to share secrets with someone. To share secrets with someone whom you trust. Okay, you call confide. Now the last word, affidavit. Affidavit means documents of affirmation or trust. It means it is related to belief. Everything is simple, just you have to remember one word said and everything will be simple, everything will be easy for you. So just master it today. I hope you must have learned something new and enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like on English learning, English speaking, on vocabulary, everything about English, then please subscribe our channel and support us to grow our channel. Then thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.